Welcome back to Decor. Today, we're diving into some amazing vintage decor ideas for renters, perfect for transforming your space without any permanent changes. If you love timeless style but need flexible solutions, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. One of the easiest ways to bring vintage charm into your rental is with peel and stick wallpaper. Choose patterns like florals, damasks, or even retro geometric prints to create a focal wall that feels straight out of another era. Lighting sets the mood, and vintage-style lamps or plug-in pendants can instantly elevate your space. Since renters can't hardwire easily, try a swag light with an Edison bulb or even a chandelier that plugs into the wall. Rugs are non-permanent but transformative. Persian, kilim, or faded floral rugs add warmth and character while covering up bland rental flooring. The best part? You can take them with you when you move. Thrifted or flea market pieces like a weathered dresser or an antique side table instantly anchor a room. Even a single vintage chair with patina can bring personality without requiring any structural changes. Vintage-inspired mirrors and ornate picture frames can make a room feel more open and charming. Use removable hooks or leaning floor mirrors for a renter-friendly approach. Swap modern curtains with lace, linen, or velvet drapes to set a vintage tone. Throw blankets and embroidered pillows also layer in old-world coziness without affecting your landlord's walls. Freestanding bookcases or leaning shelves can showcase vintage books, ceramics, or trinkets. They don't require drilling and can be styled differently with every move. Use peel and stick strips to hang artwork, postcards, or botanical prints in mismatched frames. This renter-friendly gallery instantly gives that curated vintage look. Even in a rental kitchen, you can introduce charm with enamelware, patterned tea towels, or open baskets for storage. Small touches make a huge impact without any renovations. Houseplants in terracotta pots, brass planters, or even teacups create an authentic vintage vibe. They soften the space and can move with you easily. While you may not be able to permanently change knobs or handles, many renters swap them temporarily. Just store the originals and add glass, brass, or ceramic knobs for instant character. And there you have it, simple and renter-friendly vintage decor ideas to transform any space into a cozy, timeless haven. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who loves vintage style. Until next time on Decor.